So the first National Assembly enacted the 1963 Constitution. It's still a law in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It's simply under the suspension of a military decree. And a decree is a political process of those who took power by force to manage that power. The National Assembly is the rightful organ of government to implement the restructuring by lifting the suspension, the military suspension, and bringing out the 1963 Republican Constitution to amend it with existing realities. And I said it before, it will happen in the normal course of lawmaking, just the way the National Assembly can take a private member bill or an executive bill or an existing law of any government organ to repeal that law and enact a new one. So the National Assembly holds the ace. The president will simply just submit a proposal to them, and it is their job. And we, the people that elected them and sent them to the parliament at National Assembly, will be happy to see them do this job. The job is their own. They can't call themselves 10th Assembly and ignore the First Assembly. The First Assembly is their foundation. Let them build on that foundation. And we are calling on them to say, take a look at the foundation again. Something is missing. Let us not allow crevices in the foundation. Fill up everywhere. And filling up everywhere is simply responding to question 2B of the 1950 Constitutional Conference in Ibadan, which says, should we form federating unit? It says, should we form regions on some new basis, such as the many linguistic groups which exist in Nigeria?